Hello and welcome. Let's talk about making tasty wild rice that's really packed with flavor. I'll be making 1 cup of rice, so 2¼ cups of water is what you'll need, and a tablespoon of olive oil and some butter, and then you'll also add some salt. Once your water boils, go ahead and add in the rice. This is boxed rice that's already pre-washed, so I didn't need to wash it. So stir the rice in and then cover your pot and reduce the heat to low, and then just simmer that until the water dries up. Let's take a look here. It's almost ready but not there yet. As you can see, there's some liquid left, so just cover and keep simmering until all the liquid is dried up. So now our wild rice is ready, and we're gonna fluff it. So it looks good. The water has dried up, but as you can tell, the rice is moist, and it's gonna be packed with flavor because of the olive oil and the butter that we added. So this is really tasty rice, and you can serve it with any entrees of your preference. As I'm gonna show you the way I served it. I did serve it with salmon and some sauteed zucchini in butter. If you want to see the recipes for this, go ahead and check them out on my channel, and see you in another video. That's it for today. Bye bye.